A gaming PC case ensures airflow, protection, organization, and optimal performance. My today's video is about top 5 best gaming PC case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mustex Gaming PC Case. The Mustex K2 Gaming PC Case delivers an impressive balance of performance, practicality, and stunning aesthetics. With 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, it offers strong cooling right out of the box, while customizable lighting effects create a vibrant, eye-catching setup. The 270 degrees dual-tempered glass panels provide a wide, crystal-clear view of your high-end components, making it perfect for showcasing your build. Its spacious interior supports GPUs up to 420mm, 360mm liquid cooling radiators, and large CPU coolers, ensuring excellent hardware compatibility for DIY enthusiasts. The upgraded I/O panel, including USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, adds modern convenience and faster connectivity. Smart airflow design, magnetic dust filters, and sound-insulated tempered glass enhance both performance and durability. Compact yet powerful, the K2 is a stylish, well-ventilated case ideal for gamers seeking performance and visual appeal at great value. Now our second product is Mustex Gaming PC Case. The Mustex K2 Gaming PC Case stands out with its striking design and excellent functionality. Featuring a 270 degrees panoramic dual-tempered glass panel, it offers a wide, crystal-clear view of your components, making it perfect for showcasing high-end hardware and RGB lighting. With 7 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, expandable up to 10, it delivers powerful airflow and customizable lighting effects, ensuring both stunning visuals and reliable cooling during intense gaming sessions. The spacious interior supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, with a well-organized layout that makes installation smooth and hassle-free. An upgraded I/O panel with Type-C, dual USB 3.0 ports, and audio connections adds modern convenience. Thoughtful details like the optimized air duct design, 3-side intake fans, and magnetic dust filters enhance cooling efficiency while keeping the system clean. Overall, the K2 offers impressive performance, flexibility, and value, making it a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Our third product is Mustex Gaming PC Case. The Mustex Y6 Gaming PC Case combines stunning aesthetics with practical performance. Its clean white finish breaks away from the typical black chassis, while the 270 degrees dual-tempered glass panels provide a wide, panoramic view to showcase high-end components and RGB lighting. With 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans, including 2 stylish reverse blade side fans, the Y6 delivers both impressive visuals and efficient airflow. The spacious, well-organized interior supports GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 176mm, and 360mm liquid cooling on top, making it ideal for modern high-performance builds. Installation is smooth and DIY-friendly, compatible with most mainstream hardware. An upgraded I/O panel featuring USB 3.2 Type-C, USB 3.0, and HD audio ensures fast connectivity and immersive sound. Smart airflow design, multiple fan placements, and magnetic dust filters keep the system cool and clean. Overall, the Y6 is a stylish, high-value mid-tower case perfect for gamers who want both performance and visual appeal. Now number 4, Foifken Gaming PC Case. This dual-chamber gaming PC case is built for both performance and presentation. By separating the main hardware from the power supply and drives, it significantly improves airflow while keeping cable management clean and organized. The fully transparent, high-hardness tempered glass panels beautifully showcase every detail of your components, making it ideal for RGB-focused builds. Pre-installed with 7 120mm RGB PWM fans, 6 reverse blade and 1 forward, it delivers optimized airflow and vibrant lighting effects straight out of the box. For serious cooling enthusiasts, the case supports up to 3 360mm radiators simultaneously, creating a powerful and flexible thermal setup. Compatibility is another strong point, supporting ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 400mm, and PSUs up to 200mm, along with space for 1 HDD and 2 SSDs. Compact yet spacious, this case offers excellent cooling capability, modern aesthetics, and practical expandability for high-performance builds. And our last choice is Ansate Gaming PC Case. The Ansate G8 ARGB PC case delivers an impressive blend of performance, airflow, and bold aesthetics. Its upgraded precision-engineered mesh panel enhances ventilation, while the 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass side panel beautifully showcases your hardware. Pre-installed with 6 high-quality PWM ARGB fans featuring a smart mix of forward and reverse blades, the G8 ensures optimized intake and exhaust airflow right out of the box. With support for up to 10 120mm fans, the dual-channel airflow design cools the CPU horizontally and the GPU vertically, creating efficient, focused thermal performance. Top and bottom dust filters help maintain a clean interior without compromising cooling. With support for GPUs up to 440mm, 360mm radiators, 180mm CPU coolers, and back-connect motherboards, installation is seamless and cable management stays clean. The modern I/O panel, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, adds fast connectivity. Overall, the G8 is a powerful, stylish, and cost-effective mid-tower for gamers and creators alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.